We can be quite sure that the Apple Watch Series 4 will be announced with the iPhones in September. And surprise, surprise, we have some more leaks on the Google Pixel 3 and we have some teaser photos on the upcoming LG V40. Hi there and welcome to TechPlover Weekly. We have a lot of rumors to go through, so let's do this. Apple has recently registered new model numbers for devices running watchOS 5 in the Eurasian Economic Database. So in this registration, we can see 6 new model numbers. So we can expect 6 new models of the Apple Watch Series 4. Usually, we get 2 sizes for each version of the Apple Watch. So it seems that we are only getting 3 versions this time around. So Apple might be skipping the more expensive ceramic versions, or Apple might be including 4G in all of the versions. But we'll just have to wait and see in September what they will announce. So we can expect the Apple Watch Series 4 to be announced with the iPhones in September, because these registrations in the Eurasian Economic Database usually come just a few weeks before a new product is announced. We have some rumors on the Huawei P20. Of course, the phone has already been launched, but we have some rumors that new gradient colors will be announced at IFA. The first color is said to be inspired by the night sky and the aurora borealis. The gradient color style is claimed to use a wider color gamut than the Twilight P20 Pro gradient, but shares some of the same colors. The gradient starts at black on the left and becomes turquoise at the right of the phone. It uses the purple and the blue hues of the original Twilight P20 Pro. You will be seeing me at IFA, so I will definitely look up the Huawei booth and look at these new gradient colors. I thought the Google Pixel 3 couldn't leak more, but apparently it can. Rumor has it that the full shipment of Google Pixel 3 phones were stolen and sold on the black market in Ukraine. The Google Pixel is rumored to bring a better selfie camera experience. We now have a high-quality unboxing video of the Google Pixel 3 from Indigi. There you can see the whole phone, back and front, all the accessories, and of course this huge notch. So when the Google Pixel 3 will finally be announced, I'm not sure what Google has more to tell us about the phone than we've already seen in leaked photos and videos. And of course, we have some rumors on the iPhone X 2018. It is rumored to come with faster wireless charging than the previous models. This is according to the China Times that Apple is rumored to be replacing the ferrite polymer composite for a copper wire. In theory, a copper coil can provide faster and more efficient wireless charging. So maybe the iPhones will be on par with other Android phones regarding wireless charging speeds. We have some rumors that Motorola is joining the competition on the bendable phone. There is a patent application at the US Patent Office, first spotted by the Dutch site Mobielkoppen. It shows that the company is considering to make a foldable smartphone in the near future. The handset is said to be a flip phone with a large foldable screen. So it might be that we are getting a successor to the Razer phone. We got some news on an upcoming ZTE phone, the Axon 9 Pro. We have a teaser invite from ZTE that shows the Axon 9 Pro front and back. As with many new phones today, it has a notch in its display, and it has dual rear cameras, and it seems to have a glass back as well. And according to this teaser, it will support 5G network speeds. According to this teaser, this phone will be launched at IFA, so between the 30th of August and 3rd of September. So if this is true, this will probably be the first phone to support 5G speeds, and I will definitely look it up when I'm at IFA. And last but not least, we have some rumors on the upcoming LG V40. We have some renders of the upcoming phone, and it shows that it will have 5 cameras, 2 at the front and 3 at the back. We of course don't have the exact specifics on these cameras, but hopefully something exciting. And as you can see, it will be quite similar to the LG D7, and the display will have a notch, even though it's hard to see on these images. But if you look at the battery indicator in the top right corner, it is much higher up than the other content on the screen. So we will be getting another phone from LG that has a notch. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about that. So these were the news and rumors for this week. The TechPlover Weekly next week might be late or even replaced by IFA coverage, because I will be at IFA next weekend. So stay tuned for that. And of course, since it really helps my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.